One of the biggest challenges for us as a KDP publisher is that we have only 1 second to hook the customer. So imagine that you want to buy like math notebook, for example. You will type on Amazon and you will scroll like this, and one cover will hook you and you will enter. For example, for me, when I scroll down, this book, this blue book, hooked me, to be honest. The colors are really good, the design and the style is very nice, and it catch my eyes. So every listing that I scrolled down from, only I saw it for, let's say, 0.2 second or 0.5 second. So we have a little time to catch the eyes of the customer. So we must design a very catchy cover design that has really contrasting colors and really good font to catch the eyes. And keep in your mind that many customers buy from their phone, so they are browsing from their phone, so they will not see the whole picture as big as you design it, but they will see it very small in their phone. So you should keep an eye to that point. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your colors in the cover design using free tool, which is Canva. You can type on Google Canva color wheel, or go to this URL canva.com colors wheel. So this color wheel is completely for free from Canva, and it shows you the opposite colors. So there are some basic and secondary, and I'm not professional in colors, and you don't have to be professional, but this tool will help you a lot in designing your cover. So for example, you want this color, the red, it will give you the color that match with this color. So this color between red and pinky, the color that match it is this kind of green color. So then you can click here to copy the code and paste it in any web designer or Photoshop, Illustrator, any Adobe's, or even graphic designer as I'm using now, or some use Canva. It's free, but it has a pro version. Even graphic designer has a pro version, but the free one is fine and do really good job. Or even Photopea, it's like a free version of Photoshop. So I'm going to use Photopea to show you how could I design something like this. So I have designed this one just a couple of minutes ago, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to design something like that. I'm not going to focus on the other things like fonts, the other things and details, because in this video I'm going to focus more on colors and matching colors, because this point is one of the most important in your cover design. So the first thing, after you checked your niche and you have picked a niche, so for example, let's say that math notebook is your niche that you choose, then scroll down, watch the other competitors' designs for their covers. Is there something common, or they are totally unique, everyone unique? And try to be inspired by these covers. So I can say that in math notebook there is a variety in covers, so there is no one theme. Even if you have seen one theme in a niche, that doesn't mean that you have to stick on that theme. No, you can go viral by a very different theme. Be different. Okay, so for example, this color, I like it very much. It looks very good actually. The big fat middle school math book, and it's a little bit different from the book that I want to create, because the book that I want to create is just a math notebook, and this one, let us see it from inside, because I think it's a little bit different. So as you can see, yeah, it has many things different that what I do. So I'm going just to take the color from this one. So let's say that I choose the blue color, the light blue color. So let's go here So this is like a dark color, like blue, and I'm going to choose something like this one. I think it looks nice, the light blue. So this is the code for the blue and this is the code for the light red. What I'm going to do next is open graphic designer, for example, and then I will type here a text, math notebook. So I'm going to increase the size and let the text in the middle of the box, and I want bold text, and also let's make it a little bit bigger like this. I think this looks fine. So math notebook, this is the title. Then I should put here a picture or a drawing that shows the content. So let's go to Victeasy and type math, just a math. And then as you can see, you can filter here. So let's filter it to the free license. And let's scroll down to see a very nice Victor for our book. So let's see. So this one looks very good. And we press free download. And it will start downloading totally for free. For this type of photos or vectors, you should check. So here it's written that free license, but you should check what is this, and you check if it's allowed to use commercially or not. So I have downloaded already, and you then extract it from the file that you have downloaded. Then I will go here to the design, and I will drag the pi symbols here, so like this. Then I think this is additional, so we don't need this rectangle. All what we need is these symbols. So let's just make it a little bit bigger, like this. I think this look fine, hopefully. Adjust them as you want. So then I'm going to change the color of this symbols, but before that it's now like a group, so I think we should ungroup it, so like this, and you select this ungroup items, ungroup. So now they are all ungrouped. Then we select the color, and how do we know the color that we choose? From here. So I want the background blue, the light blue, and the red as the text or vector. So copy, and then I'll paste it here and enter. So as you can see, it's now in red, the exact red that is on Canva color wheel. After that, I'm going to select them all, press Alt so it can duplicate when I drag. Alt, a little bit like this, and I will change it to, let's say, black. Then I will put it behind the first one, and I will match it first exactly like this, and then press the right arrow and the down arrow in the same time. 1, 2, I think it's enough. I think it's enough like that. So it's now look way better. And if you want, you can do it like this, and I can change it to white because you will see when I change the background. So then I will add the background. So rectangle from this angle away to the end here like this, and put it behind everything, so it should be the last layer like this. And then I will change the color to the light blue that I choose here, copy, and I will paste the code right here, Ctrl V, like this. So I think it looks very nice now. You can change the white to black if you want, as it was, but I think the white is better because the text, the title is in black. Then I will just put a box like this, so it looks professional. So let's type text, for example, right here. So let's say that it's 120 pages and it's 8.5 by 11 inches, and it's math paper like this. And then adjust the size. Let's make it bigger like this, and adjust the font. So some fonts in the document are missing. So let's see which one looks better. So let's go. And keep in mind that it matched the interior, it matched the other elements in the cover design. So I think this one looks very good. So I'm going to choose this one. I'll make it a little bit bigger. And I will draw a box here and put it behind it, and it should have a border. So let me increase the border like this, and to fill it, change the color fill to background fill like this. And then adjust it in the box so it looks better like this. So this looks very good. And then, so it's a math notebook. Let's add a pattern in the background. So upload from Victisi or any free browser this graph right here. Oops, sorry. Like this, and then press shift and make it like that, and you should put it behind all elements except the background, so it should be right here. And then decrease the opacity, so it should be like that. It will be fine. Then I should hide this the pattern from the box here, so I should add another layer right here in the box. Sorry, I should make it bigger so I can see it probably. So add rectangle from here to the end here. Then choose the same color from this wheel and paste it here, like this. Then make it behind the text, like this. So now it looks like that. I think it looks better. So yeah, and maybe you can change this font to a better one. And then I usually, when I design a cover, I will make it very small. So, and I will ask myself, does it still look nice or not? So now maybe it's nice, but when I drag it like that, and it will be small. So in the phone, maybe it will be like that. The customer will see it like that in 2 seconds. So it should catch the customer's eyes. So then you can make any other adjustment. So it make it better and better. So this was a very short tutorial in how to use the colors. And you can use any color that looks good in your niche that you have choose. And then copy and paste these two colors. It's from Canva, it's free, and you can use it, and it will dramatically increase the improvement and improve and develop your cover designs very, very dramatically. So use it, it's free, and it will save you a lot of time and make you more sales and more money. Thanks, and see you next time.